Hey everybody, it's me, Greg Manarino. How are you today? It is Tuesday, October 17th, 2017. It is early here on the west coast of the United States. As a matter of fact, the stock market has only been open for just short of half of an hour. The reason why I'm getting this video out so early today is part of a program change that I am instituting beginning today. It is my mission, and I mean this for years, to try to put this whole disgusting mess called the markets into a perspective for all of you. So we can all profit from this. Again, this is not a game that can only be played by traders like myself or the Wall Street banks or the Federal Reserve. No, we can play this too, and we're going to play it better. And again, I am going to do my best to outline for you how to play this game, where you should possibly be looking with regard to making yourself richer, literally, by capitalizing on the insanity that is going on. So, with that said, I'm going to do 2 market reports every business day. One early, like I'm doing now, and one post-market, so we can talk about what happened and look ahead to the next day, so we can get a better perspective on this. Now let's start off with a few things that are going on right now. If you recall, in the second video that I had done yesterday, I went over the price action of gold and silver that happened yesterday. It was kind of, I would say interesting, but more like suspicious. But again, we can capitalize on this, and this is what it's all about. Again, in the second video I did, I went over how we had this peculiar price action reversal with regard to gold and silver at the end of the day. I said, it looks like gold and silver are going on sale again. Well, this played out to be exactly true. Today, as I am doing this early here in the morning, gold and silver are down substantially, both of them about 1% each across the board. So this is happening because the dollar is bouncing here. Something is causing a dollar bounce here, and these things, not all the time, but most of the time, will act conversely. You got it? So this is another sale here, another opportunity for you to add to your stacks. Important. Let's keep our eye on that. A couple of other things that are going on here. This yield curve, people, you're watching the yield curve. You don't have to watch the yield curve because I'll tell you about it. It's flattening out even further, and it's being ignored by this runaway market. The flattening yield curve, not a good sign for what's coming down the pike here with regard to our economy. Look, we're dead in the water. President Trump can talk all he wants about how he's causing the stock market to hit all-time record highs. This is the Federal Reserve, who can't do anything meaningful with regard to their balance sheet or interest rates. I still believe they're going to raise rates come December, the federal funds rate, 0.25%. What is that going to do? Let's think about the yield curve. Okay, here's the yield curve. If the Federal Reserve decides that they're going to, and I think they are, raise the federal funds rate, which is affects the short end of the curve here, 0.25%, it's fractional, but it'll nudge that up a little bit. That'll flatten this yield curve even further. You understand? It's something that people need to keep their eyes on, so we can get a glimpse of what's coming down the pike with regard to this market. Now, the market is ridiculous. As I am doing this, I think we're at new all-time highs here. And the banking sector seems to be trying to turn around a little bit. Remember, I told all of you, look like the banking sector was going to fall under some pressure, which it did. I told all of you how I was capitalizing on this. I named specific stocks. I am really trying hard here to put all of this into, again, a perspective where if you're a trader, you can capitalize on this. If you're a stacker, you can capitalize on this. I kind of get a kick out of it. I really do, and I want to do everything possible to level this playing field. It's because it's not fair. It's not fair what they're trying to do to all of us, and we're not going to let them do it. It's that simple. We're going to rip their face off like they have no idea. That's the truth. So anyway, I'm gonna end this here, and I will see you later today, post market. We're gonna talk about this market again. We're gonna look for opportunities moving forward into tomorrow. So keep your eye on gold and silver. Right now they're both under pressure. Dollar is going up. Gold and silver are on freaking sale here. I mean, it's ridiculous here how suppressed these prices are to begin with. It's just beyond imagination, and right now they're actually even lower, so you should be smiling from ear to ear, and in my opinion here, and always do your own research, okay? You should be adding to your stacks, period. Bet against the debt, become your own central bank, and look for opportunities to take advantage of this market. I mean, this is it. It doesn't get any better than this from a trading standpoint or from a stacking standpoint. This is it. All right, I'll see you post-market. Over and out.